What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech at Computex 2019 and we got our hands on the new Dell XPS 13 2-in-1. Now when you think about 2-in-1 Ultrabooks, you think they're sleek, they're small, super portable, super long battery life, but generally underpowered for heavier workloads. But that may not be the case with this one. So the new Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 is powered by Intel's new 10th generation Ice Lake chips. Pair that with up to 32 gigs of RAM and up to a 1TB SSD. It's looking pretty solid. Now for design, finally, no more nose cam. So Dell has actually managed to put a really small webcam here in the super slim upper bezel. It's their smallest webcam to date. And another thing about the display is you actually have a 16:10 aspect ratio as opposed to the usual 16:9. So for productivity, you get more vertical screen real estate. Fun fact, 16:10 was also the most popular aspect ratio for monitors in the early to mid 2000s. Now moving on to the rest of the design, our keyboard here is a chiclet type. It's still that amazing Dell XPS keyboard. Typing on this thing is amazing. Of course, it's a 2-in-1 laptop, so laptop becomes a tablet. And if you're the artistic type, it does have pen support. Your sides are magnetic for the pen. Another side. Oh, it's just one side. So one of the sides is magnetic for your pen. You also have a Thunderbolt 3 port, 3.5mm headphone jack. On the other side, another Thunderbolt 3 and micro SD card slot. So like the rest of Dell's laptops that were newly launched here at Computex, they have two color variants. You got the black, also you have the white. And display comes in either 1080p or 4K with HDR, and it starts at $999 US. Alright, be sure to drop us a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and visit yugatech.com for more Computex 2019 coverage. This has been Joey, and I'll see you in the next one.